Today I'm going to share a very quick dish. Only 2 ingredients: butter, salted butter. I have broccolini and asparagus, or you can choose just one ingredient, broccolini or asparagus, but I have both. So let's start it. Prepare a pot or a wok. I put all this inside and then turn on the heat and I add some boiling water. Boiling water. We can boil it for 5 minutes. The best part is butter. I'm going to put like about 10 grams salted butter and then put inside and let it boil. Easy. Oh yes, my homemade plum wine. It's very tasty. My favorite salmon and asparagus and broccolini.